In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how we made $127,710 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on Pinterest. Okay, I'm going to show you guys step by step which affiliate links I was promoting on Pinterest. For beginners, I'm going to show you step by step how you can join Fiverr affiliate marketing and start promoting affiliate links with $0 without investing any money in paid ads, just by using free traffic. Okay, so I started this business from December 2021 until today. Okay, I'm still promoting affiliate links on Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram, and so much more. In this video, I will share with you my method with Pinterest. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so let's get started. So for people who will ask why it's showing $0 in my balance, because I withdraw all my money to my PayPal account. Okay, if you started this business, when you will withdraw your money, it will show $0 here. Okay, so anyways, so for people who want to start making some money with Fiverr affiliate, what you need to do next, you just need to go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link over here, and you just need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, what you need to do next, you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down. Keep scrolling down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. Okay, and it's gonna take you to this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, what you need to do next is just click over here on join now. Okay, and it's gonna take you to this sign up process page. And as you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate program is super easy and simple. So just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Okay, scroll down. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. It's super easy. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, what you need to do next, you need to go back to Google and you need to create Pinterest business account. Okay, it's super easy. Go to Google, search for Pinterest, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process on Pinterest is super easy too, and it's really easy and simple. Okay, you just need to use your email address. Make sure to open business account. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, it's super easy. After you finish, what you will do, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr. Go back to your home page like this. Okay, so now I'm gonna share with you guys one of my profitable services that I was promoting on Pinterest to earn commission. Okay, so click on the search for this service. It's trending right now. Search for AI history shorts. Okay, search for AI history shorts. This service is trending right now. A lot of people are searching for how to make history videos, how to make history short videos. So those people will be interested to buy this service from your affiliate link. Okay, so what you will do, so I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, top rated seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. If people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so make sure to choose good sellers. So let's see if we can find good sellers here. So like this one is level 2 seller. This one really looks good. Okay, I will click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. This service is just for $10. It's really good. A lot of people can buy this service. Okay, so what you will do, you will copy this profile seller link. So just copy this profile seller link. Okay, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest. Okay, if we go to Pinterest, so if we click, so let me show you first why I choose to promote my affiliate links on Pinterest. So Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors. Okay, and this is a country rank. It's a ranking number 24 in United States. 1 billion monthly visitors. I don't need to explain more. This number is enough. 1 billion monthly visitors per month. That's really a lot of traffic. A lot of people are using Pinterest. That's why you should start promoting your affiliate links on Pinterest. You can get so much traffic for free. Okay, so anyways, go back to your Pinterest account, click on home feed, click on create pin, and what you will do next, you need to upload a picture about this service. Go back to this seller page on Fiverr, okay, and click on his picture and double click, save this picture to your laptop. Okay, so just save this picture to your laptop. I'm gonna name it AI short. Go back to Pinterest, click over here and upload this picture. Okay, like this. Upload this picture to your laptop, to your Pinterest account, like this. Scroll down, you need to put here title, description and your affiliate link. So let's start with the title. Go back to this seller page, copy his title like this, and go back to Pinterest, put this title over here, description. Go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, you should see about this gig. Okay, this is his description. Okay, copy this part. I'm gonna use just this part to show you, like this. Scroll down, you need to put here your affiliate link. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here, go back to Pinterest and put this affiliate link here. Okay, so click over here on choose a board, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name. Okay, and you can create as many as you want. Okay, just give it a name. I'm gonna choose this one, I already have a lot. Scroll down, you need to put here tags. Okay, go back to this seller profile page, keep scrolling down. So just keep scrolling down and you should see, so let me see, you should see over here related tags. Okay, those are the keywords that you should use. Okay, and just use as many keywords as you can. Okay, those are very important. History, AI short, YouTube short. After you finish, click on publish. Okay, and here you go. Your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest like this. Okay, so this service is trending. A lot of people are searching for how to make AI short videos, history, AI specific, AI short videos. Okay, history short videos, those are very trending right now. Okay, so you can start promoting this service on Pinterest. If you have a new account, start by promoting just between 1 and 2 affiliate links per day. This is new trending affiliate service that you can start as a beginner. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.